Are you a music creator uploading your tracks to YouTube but not getting the views you deserve? Well, there's a powerful tool you might be missing that can completely change the game for you. It's called an official artist channel, or OAC. What is an OAC? It's that little music note icon next to an artist's name on YouTube. It verifies you as an official artist, merges your personal channel content with your music on YouTube Music, and organizes all your songs, albums, and videos into one professional-looking hub. Having an OAC isn't just about looking cool. It's about boosting your visibility. YouTube's algorithm favors official artist channels, meaning your music is more likely to be recommended to new listeners. It adds a level of credibility that can open doors to more opportunities and helps you grow your music career much faster. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I'm an independent artist. I don't have a record label or a huge budget, and that's where the good news comes in. You don't need either of those things. At Music Mix Makers, we've created a simple and affordable service specifically for serious music creators like you. We help you get your very own official artist channel, and for a limited time, you can get started for just 19 euros, which is around 2000 Indian rupees. This is a one-time payment. There are no hidden fees, no complicated contracts, so how does it work? It's incredibly straightforward. Once you make the payment, we get to work. We will produce and release a simple, high-quality instrumental track under your artist name. You don't need to be a producer or have a song ready. We handle all the music creation for you. This track will then be distributed and go live on YouTube Music, officially establishing your artist profile within the YouTube ecosystem. Once your track is live on YouTube Music, there's just one simple step you need to take. Upload that same instrumental track to your own YouTube channel. You can just use a static image or a simple video for it. The content of the video doesn't matter as much as the audio itself. After that upload, your channel will become eligible to apply for an official artist channel. Don't worry, we won't leave you hanging. We'll guide you through the entire process of requesting your OAC from YouTube to make sure everything goes smoothly. Getting started is easy. All you need to do is purchase the OAC coupon from the Vic4S shop, or you can contact Vic4S directly on Instagram. After your payment is complete, you'll head over to the Music Mix Makers website and fill out our artist form. Link is in description below. On this form, you'll provide your YouTube channel link and your channel name. One very important thing to remember is that your YouTube channel name must exactly match the artist name you want to use. Once you've submitted the form, just sit back and relax. Give us about a month to handle all the back-end work, from music production and distribution to getting everything set up for your OAC application. Think about it. This is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to make your channel look professional and significantly boost its presence on the platform. Other services that offer OAC creation often charge hundreds of dollars or lock you into long-term contracts. With our limited time offer, you can achieve the same professional status for just 19 euros. So if you're serious about your music and ready to build a real brand on YouTube, this is your chance. Stop letting your music get lost in the crowd. Take that next step to becoming a verified, official artist on the world's largest video platform. Don't wait for this offer to disappear. Grab it now and let's get your music career the recognition it truly deserves. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your new official artist channel.